Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Suresh from SDET Automation channel. Today in this session we will discuss about the difference between the severity and the priority. And this is one of the important question asked in the interview for product owners, testers, automation testers and SDET engineers and even for the developers. So let's jump into this question. And severity measures the impact of a defect on a system functionality, and it is more or less talking about the functional behavior of an application. And whereas a priority, it indicates the urgency with which a defect needs to be fixed. So here a person will report based on the impact of the defect. Here the person tell that okay, when it should come to a fix or who needs to fix that defect. And severity focus on the technical effect of a bug, whereas the priority is more focuses of the business or a customer importance. So there's the two different terminologies here, which is the technical behavior of an application when that technical behavior is important for the business or a customer. Person reported 10 defects, it's not that 10 defects needs to be taken as in priority and needs to be given to the fix. So even out of that 10 defects, how many are the important for the business and the customer? It is the call in the priority. And usually it is assigned by testers and the QA engineers because they are the main person who reports the defect or who reports the bugs, right? So they are the only person who will assign the severity, whereas the priority usually is assigned by the project managers, product owners and the product managers. So they are the authorized person to tell that okay, this defect needs to be fixed on priority basis by this time. So this is the difference between testers and the product owners and the product managers. High severity doesn't always mean that it must be fixed immediately. High priority means the bug should be fixed as soon as possible because it is important for the business, it is important for the customers. That is the reason it is a high priority. But high severity is also important, but it doesn't mean that high severity is always needs to be weighted, but it should have the business priority. Then only that will be taken as into the consideration. And if we give an example to the severity, app crashes when you try to save the file. It is a high severity because the main functionality to upload a file is failing. So that is a high severity. Whereas priority plays major role over the severity when there is a typo. There is a typo in the company name on the home page, which is the highest priority. For a tester, uh, text the text which is on the page, right? So example XYZ is there. If Y is missing, tester doesn't think mainly on that. Okay, Y is missing, X and Z is there. They will focus on mainly the functional impact first. Whereas the priority call, so on the priority basis, the company name is the most important because company name is required when we are trying to sell our products. So company name is more important. That is the reason it is plays the highest priority over the highest severity. So this is the difference between the severity and the priority. Hope you understand this session. In case if you are new to my channel, do subscribe to my channel and do share your questions, thoughts in my comment section. I will help you out. Thank you for watching.